friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a brand new application I built. It's work like a Foodpanda, Uber Eats, or any other real-time order tracking app you use every day. Whether you are running a restaurant, a delivery service, or an e-commerce store, being able to track orders in real time is super important. So I created this complete order tracking system to handle exactly that. So in this video, I will give you complete walkthrough of this project and complete overview of this. So let's start. Login page of this application, and here I have some demo users that I created. So I have three roles within this system. First is customer, second one is admin, and third is rider. So customer create orders, and admin can see all the orders that customer created, and admin assigns to rider to deliver the orders on time. So first of all, I will log in with the customer and show you and give you demo of the customer side. This page, customer can able to see all its orders that it make. And now what I'll do is I just simple open any of the order that customer previously created. So I just simple click on it, and it brings me to the detail page of the order. And in the detail page, it show me order status on the right side, and order details, address of delivery, rider details, and place, time, date, everything here. And also it show me here in the map as well the restaurant location and the hotel location and the delivery address as well. So it is working great and amazing. Okay. So now what I'll do is I just simple back to orders, and I just simple create a new order. Create order page. First of all, customer have to mention the restaurant name. Suppose I just simple add this restaurant name, and then after it, from the menu items, I have some categories like burgers, chicken, desserts, drinks, and others. So now I just simple add this one milkshake, and in the your order, it automatically add this. I can also able to increase the quantity of it, and it is showing me here the order summary. Okay. And then after it, I have to fill out the delivery address. So in the delivery address, I just simple add this, and when I just simple click on locate, it automatically locate this delivery at that address in the map. And also I can able to zoom in and zoom out this address, that this is the exact location that I added. So this is it, and this is the order create page. And now I'll create this, and when I just will click on this place order, it is reloading button, and it make the order placed. And on this page, it show me here order placed. So I just simple back to orders, and here you can see my order is placed 14 second ago. When I just simple click on it, it show me here this order details and order status for now pending. And also it is showing me the exact location of the restaurant that I added, and also it is showing me the delivery location of this order. And also in the details, it is showing me correctly items and total and address and place, all the things correctly. So this is it. So this is the customer side, and now I just simple login with the admin side, and show you from the admin side of the view. So I just simple click on this admin, and here you can see this is the admin dashboard. And on the admin dashboard, admin is able to see the total orders, pending orders, preparing, on the way, and delivered. And this is the last order that John customer created, and restaurant name is also showing, amount is also showing, and its status is pending. So admin assign the order to the riders. So, and also change the status as well. So I can make the status of his of it pending, confirmed, delivered, be ready for pickup as well. And whenever I change the status, it show this status to this customer side as well. So, but for now, I just simply click on this assign, and when I just simply click on assign, it show me all the riders that I have on this application. But for now, I have just simple one rider, and when I just simple click on this assign and select this rider, it show me here it is assigned and it changed the status to on the way. And now when now I just simple login with the rider. I just simple open one incognito window, and here I just simple log out this admin and just simple login with the rider. And here on the rider, when I just simple login with on the rider dashboard, it show me here enable your location. And when I just simply enable it, it show me allow this time, and I allow it. And here from the left side, rider able to see all its order. And whenever a rider click on any of the order, it show me the location, duration of time, to the delivery address on the map as well. So this is great, amazing. And now here you can see now I selected here the this order, that is that a delivery address is I8 Marcus. And when I just select it, it show me the calculated distance, that is 9.1 kilometer. And also it show me here the time, that is 12 minutes. And when I just will select this order, that is pizza place Lahore, it show me correctly distance, that is 282 kilometer and 230 minutes. So this is great, and it is working amazing. And one more thing is, as already mentioned in the thumbnail and title, that is it is real time order tracking platform. And also I tested, and I not only show the location, distances, and the time in it as well, but also whenever rider move and rider is on this application login, and rider allow the GPS on this side, whenever rider move, it automatically change the location of the rider, because I use in it the Laravel Reverb, and it automatically update the location in real time, and it show in the map, live map. And also customer able to view the order tracking, that how much time is remaining in order delivery. And rider able to track the address or delivery address of the customer, and duration time and everything. So this is it. This is the complete amazing thing. And now I just simple go to the admin side, and as I already assigned this to Ali rider, and I'll already show you the rider admin side overview. And now I just simple click on track. Admin also able to uh, see the real time location of the rider, where is the rider. It is when status is on the way, admin able to track the location of the rider, where is the rider, and how much far away it is from the delivery address. Here you can see this is the rider address, that is here for now, and that's a delivery address. Okay, so whenever rider move, admin able to see the location of the rider. Okay, so this is great, amazing, and this is how it work. And also customer also able to view same as it is this interface, like how much time is remaining and where is the rider now. So this is it, and this is the complete order tracking, real time order tracking platform that I built with Laravel, Reverb, and Alpine.js, and this. And also I show you from the backend that uh, the verb is also working, and npm run dev is working, and also I'll started the queue work. So these are the things that I used in this project. And on the back end, it's just a seamless admin or delivery driver can easily update the order status with just a single click, and it instantly sync for the customer to see. It's fast, responsive, and completely real time. If you want to, I hope you like this video. And in the future, I will make complete tutorial on this as well. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.